This is a short clip of an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair. We'll begin with all rotator cuff repairs. Very important to mobilize the tissue. We're using a soft tissue elevator first and then an arthroscopic shaver to both mobilize the tissue, prepare the tissue, and to prepare the tuberosity, the anatomic rotator cuff insertion point for repair. We want to get healthy bleeding cancellous bone and take away all degenerated tissue in order to optimize the biologic healing of the rotator cuff repair. What you see here is us debriding the end of the torn rotator cuff to healthy tissue, and then we're using a tendon grasper here to assess the mobility. You can see the rotator cuff tear here looks very mobile, so we can proceed with repair. So first we're using an arthroscopic punch, followed by placement of one 5.5 millimeter bio corkscrew anchor. This is a double loaded rotator cuff suture anchor loaded with 2 pairs of fiber wire sutures. Next, we'll place a large cannula laterally at our working portal, and we'll sequentially relay, grasp, and then use a Scorpion fast pass suture passer to get a good healthy bite of rotator cuff tendon and then relay out the anterior cannula. We'll do this with the second suture to complete our first horizontal mattress suture. This will be relayed out the front as well, and then we will relay the first limb of our second suture, and then similarly use the Scorpion fast pass to take a healthy bite of tissue. We then try arthroscopic sliding locking knots, working from posterior to anterior, and then tying our second arthroscopic sliding locking knot to complete our repair. And we cut the ends, and you'll see here the rotator cuff moves as a unit with a sound, tension-free repair.